So Ravi sir, what I do is, I will quickly take another 10 minutes for GEMS experiment. You can be in the meeting, right? And then you can introduce the analyze phase.
Yes, sir, no issues.
Right. So all of you, once again, know you again come on video and you can open your gems. You can open your gems. Right. First you show me the gems on the video, and then and afterwards I am going to collect your data as usual, and I will put it in the type it in the Excel sheet. Fine. Very good. So now what are we going to do is we are going to measure the sigma level of the process of making and packing the gems, right? What is the sigma level of the company which is manufacturing, or not company, the process behind making of gems? It is actually sold in the name of brand name of Cadbury, but it is manufactured manufactured in a company in near I think near Chennai only. It's called Mondlis. We have a factory here. All right. And now what I want is, I want each one of you to open the gems. Not now. You are going to work as a quality engineer, quality inspector. And in the gems, I am going to define 5 types of defect. I'm going to define 5 types of defect. First defect you need to check is count. Every packet will have how many gems? Can you tell me? Every packet will have 10 gems inside. It will have. Yeah. Every packet is supposed to have 10 gems chocolate inside. You have to check the count. And next is color. Color, kids will, people will like different colors. But when the color is faded or color is having a problem, then you must consider it as a defect. And then crack means any breakage, any discontinuity, that is a crack. 4th one, shape. What is the expected shape of the gems? Circular or round.
Oval.
If it is not circular, not round, then you consider it as a defect. And last, only the test. You need to do the last test checking only in the end. Don't consume everything straight away. So after checking all the first 4 types of defects, there are 10 gems is there. You take only 1 gems and then check for the taste. If you like the taste, then we will assume everything is good. If you don't like the taste, we will assume all the 10 are bad. So this is how we are going to collect the data, and all one by one, maybe you can give me the data, then we will see how we can calculate DPMO. We will see how we can calculate the sigma level. So who is first? First on the screen is Mayank. Yes, Mayank.
Yes, sir.
How many gems you have?
1 minute.
You count. If you have 10 out of 10, then no defect. I will put 0 here. But any difference, the difference will be noted here. If you
Sir,
have
12. Sir, 12.
12 means count defect is 2. 12 means count defect is 2.
2.
All right. Then color defect.
1 is having color defect. 1.
Color defect is 1. Okay. Then crack defect. Any crack you are observing?
No, sir. Crack. No.
No crack. 0. Very good. Then shape.
So 1.
1 shape is not good. And how is the taste?
Wait, sir. It is good.
Okay. Taste is good. Very good. And now next on the screen is Megul Patel. Yes, Megul, you can go. How many number of gems you have got?
10, sir.
So no count problem. Color problem. Do you see any color problem?
2, sir.
2 color problem. Any crack issue?
2.
Very good. Any shape issue?
1.
And any taste issue?
It's a good.
Good. Very good. And then Vignesh. Vignesh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Count.
Yes, sir. Count is all 10.
Okay. 0. Count is 0. Color. You just tell me the number like this, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, something like that.
Color
Tell
is
me.
2. Color is 2.
Okay, crack.
Crack is 4.
2,
4, 4, sir. Crack 4.
okay, then
Shape 0.
taste,
Taste 0.
taste 0. Okay. See, I want you to give me the data like this. For example, Mayank data is 21010 and the Megul data is 02210. Vignesh data is 02400. Something like that, like phone number you tell me. Then Patel, Varun Patel.
100010.
0, oh, 10 means, see, 10 means 0, right? So
Okay.
0, 0,
0010.
0, 1, 0. Very good. Then Joy. You're reading? You unmute yourself.
11600.
11600. Very good. Then who is next? Again, another Vignesh. Yes, Vignesh.
0000520.
00520. Very good. Then Arshit.
0220.
0220. Test. That is also 0. Very good. Then one more. Yes, Manish. Manish Kumar. Manish, do you have the reading? You have to unmute.
1200.
No. Come again.
0
0
1200.
1200. Very good. So that's it. No, the people who are on the video I collected, and now you see. I remove all the other thing. See, now you understand the last column H, gives the total number of defects, right? Gives the total number of defects. And for Mayank gave 4 defects and it goes like this. So the total number of defects observed. How many defects totally we observed? Can you see? Can you look at the Excel and tell me? It is
38.
very good. 38 defects observed. Now, how many packets we opened? There are 8 people who opened the packet, right? So that means 80 gems you have inspected. How many gems you inspected? 80. After inspecting 80 gems chocolate, you reported 38 defects. So I'm going to total pieces 80. Total pieces 80. And number of defects reported 38. Now it is telling me DPU. You know what is DPU? Defects per unit. 80 pieces had 38 defects. Then what is the number of defect each piece? 38 divided by 80. See here, equal to 38 divided by 80. It is giving 0.475. What is 0.475? Defects per unit. And now I want to calculate defect per opportunity. How many opportunities for error we checked? Can somebody tell me how many opportunities for error we checked?
50. 40.
40.
Very good. Actually, each gems you checked 5 aspects. The opportunities for error is 5. And since you opened 80 gems, right? You checked the 80 gems. So what is the total number of opportunity?
There is some noise. I can't hear properly.
That's why I have been telling right from the day 1 how to attend the training program. Right. So total number of opportunity is 80 gems. Each gems can go wrong in 5 ways. So 80 into 5, 400 opportunities are there. All of you understand what is opportunity here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Every gem, there is a 5 opportunity for a failure. Since you are checking 80 gems, 80 into 5, 400 opportunities. And now I am going to calculate defects per opportunity. Can somebody tell me the formula? What is the defect per opportunity formula? Defect per opportunity is equal to formula is defects
Upon total opportunities.
Very good. That's all. So equal to defects. How many defects? 38.
38.
Upon total opportunities, how much? 400.
400.
Beautiful. So defect per opportunity is 0.095. If defects per opportunity is 0.095, what is DPMO? Multiply by 10 power 6.
Yes.
Multiply by 10 power 6. So how many? What is the DPMO we are getting? 95,000.
95,000.
For 95,000, the sigma level we have to check. Let me, 95,000, you remember, I will show the sigma level. Just a second. I'll show it. So 95,000 is the DPMO. Yes. It's the same sheet, right? I have it in another. Yes. So do you see a table here? DPMO and sigma level comparison table. Is it visible? Yes. And now left side is short term. Left side is short term. You can see here. Left side is short term and right side is long term. Generally, we have to check up the long term. So our DPMO is 95,000. DPMO 95,000. Come down. Do you see here 96,000? Do you see 96,000 here? Come on, yeah. One of you say yes or no.
So please zoom it.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here, this is 96,000. This is 96,000 and below is 80,000. That means our sigma level is between 1.3 and 1.4. Between 1.3 and 1.4. So 95,000 is slightly below 96. So I will say it is 1.32 or something. But accurately also we can calculate. And now once the DPMO is calculated, sigma level is calculated. When sigma level is 1.3, this 1.3 is long term. So look at on the left side. The short term is 2.8. The short term is 2.8. How do I get 2.8? Can somebody explain? When the long term sigma level is available, I will add 1.5. That will give me the short term sigma level. Always the difference between long term and short term will be 1.5. And now when long term sigma level is 1.3, what is your success rate? Can somebody tell me?
1 minus.
No. Success rate, you read it here first.
90.32.
90.32. And now failure rate is 9.68. So this is how you can predict your performance. And generally what we do is we give you a template. We'll give you a template once you take part in the green belt or the black belt training program. The templates will be made and then the template will give you everything, all the calculation. You just have to give the basic details. Automatically the gauge R&R will be calculated, DPMO will be calculated, sigma level will be calculated. And this is how you calculate the DPMO and the sigma level. Now tell me, what is our sigma level? In this case, in the GEMS experiment case, with respect to 5 CTQs, we calculated the sigma level. That sigma level, how much we calculated? 1.3. 1.3. But now, how is this product performing in the market? Is this product performing well or performing badly?
Performing well.
But it is against our philosophy. Sigma level is very low, 1.3. But product is performing well. Do you know what is the reason?
Because it is up to the market acceptable level.
Okay. Any other point? Any other point?
So the factors which we have considered means there doesn't matter much to people.
Oh, beautiful.
So there
Okay.
might be
Wait.
less number of.
I want all of you to clap Mayank for this answer. Because he has come to the point perfectly. Whatever 5 points you are checking, the CTQs are not the real CTQs. Who are the consumers of the chocolate?
Children.
Babies,
Kids, small kids,
youngsters.
right? The school going children, they eat a lot. According to them, the crack is not a matter. According to them, the color is not a matter. Whatever you checked, nothing, they generally they don't check anything. They will simply buy the chocolate and then consume it, isn't it? Even if the chocolate is completely crushed, then also they will eat it in the powder form. This is what can happen when you make a wrong choice of the CTQ. You have to choose the correct CTQ in any project. You remember we taught you in the define phase. CTQ identification is very important. If you identify the right CTQs, then all your metrics will speak correctly. If you identify wrong CTQs, then the reality will be completely different. In the case of gems, sigma level is low, business is going good. But when you do similar mistake in with respect to your product or service, sometimes it may affect your business. You may think you are doing great with all your calculation, but in the market, your product will fail. Both are possible, isn't it? So always you have to choose the correct CTQ. And moreover, when you are doing a study survey, sample should come from the correct source. Now this survey I did with all of you, but all of you are not the consumers, isn't it? Actually, I should have conducted the survey with the kids. When I conduct this kind of survey with some kids, do you think the kids will check all these aspects? Definitely no. By the time they purchase, they should have consumed the chocolate completely, isn't it? They don't even check like you. So another mistake what we did is, one is wrong CTQ. Another mistake what we did is wrong sample. All of you are definitely the wrong sample of the population, wrong sample of the customer. So don't do all these mistakes in real time. Otherwise, you will not be able to predict the proper performance. All right, I stop here. And now we are ready to move on to the next part of the DMAC, which is analyze. So I request Dr. Ravi to take you all through the analyze phase. And Ravi sir, maybe by about 4 or 4-5, you can give them a 10 minutes break. You are muted.
We will start after the break, right?